Build smarter bundles in 2 minutes. Navigate to WooCommerce products and click Add New to create a new product. Set a name for the product bundles. Click on Set Product Image from the right sidebar and select an image for your product bundles. Now go to the Product Data panel, and select Product Bundle as the product type. Go to the Product Bundles tab and click on the Add Item button to add a new bundle item. In Item 1, in the Products field search and select the product you want. In the Discount field, you can set discount for the bundled products. Now click on the Add Item button to add a new item to the bundle. In Item 2, in the Products field search and select the product you want. And we also set discount for this item. Now scroll to the top of the Product Bundle tab. You can set the header for product bundles from this field. At the end, publish changes. Now open the permalink to see the created product bundles in the front end. In the Product Bundles page in the front end, you can see Product Bundle Name, Product Bundle Header, and created 2 items. By clicking on each item, the customer can see the added products for that item. Added product for Item 2. Calculated total price. Now, click on Add to Cart to see the product bundle in the cart. This shows how the product bundle appeared in the shopping cart.